it going today, everybody? If you're new to our channel, I want to welcome you to Iron Antler Adventures. I'm James with my beautiful wife, Risha.
Hi.
Today we're going to do some magnet fishing. And don't forget, at 1,400 and 1,600 subscribers, we're doing a giveaway. Over 50% of our viewers aren't subscribed. So if you want to be eligible for the giveaways, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that way you'll know when we're having a giveaway or put another video out. It's pretty cold out here today. It's like 39 degrees. The wind's blowing hard, so it's pretty chilly. I don't know how long we'll be out here. So we're going to get that camera strapped on and we're going to get after it. Alright guys, apologize for the wind, but ain't much I can do about it. If you're looking for a magnet, Kratos Magnetics. I'll put a link down in the description below. Iron Antler 12 will get you 12% discount off of the Kratos magnets. We're going to get this in the water. We ain't been in this bridge in over a month, so let's get after it. My rope's about half froze, but we're still going to see what we can come up with. Hoping that water's a little bit warmer than the air. Maybe it'll thaw my rope out down in there. I've mentioned before, this bridge, you have to hang on to your rope when you throw, because this concrete's like sandpaper and it just almost puts the brakes on it. Felt something there. I ain't positive whether I grabbed something or hit a rock. There's one guy down there fishing an area we haven't got to magnet fish very much. We're wanting to try out. If he moves, we'll go down there. It almost feels like we got something on our first throw here. I'm not positive. Say it's cold out here, the wind's blowing. Well, it looks like we may have nailed it. Yep. Bunch of nails on the first throw. We're going to stay after it. Alright, on Risha's first throw, she got a couple jigs, she got a can opener, or bottle opener I mean, some nails. Good job, love. Alright, I must have found the nail bed because that magnet's full of nails.
Bud.
Alright, Risha got a bud cap and a couple hooks and a jig. Alright, we've been coming through some fishing line and stuff. I don't know what all. Look at that. It's part of a cast net we got out of there.
I'm sliding off this, it's heavy.
Risha's got something that's heavy she said she's sliding off of. I'm going to go help her, but check out that claw. Somebody's made it and it's threaded.
That's cool.
Or that was some kind of a stand, I'm not sure. That's pretty neat. Yeah. Golly. That may be some kind of a stand. I really don't know. If anybody knows, let us know down in the comments, please. I gotta. My buddy Bobby, he always calls at the most inopportune times.
Either sliding off something or it's ripping through.
You need me to grab it?
Yeah.
Or no?
See what you think.
No. You had something up here high because I seen your magnet. You may have had part of a cast net because I could see your magnet shining as soon as I grabbed that. Alright, I got this rattle trap on here, and I also had this on here. It's magnetic on one end. I don't know what it is. This looks like a rock or something. If anybody has any ideas, let me know down in the comments, please. Alright, we got something on the bottom of there. Well, I ain't sure. Maybe just part of an old can. Alright, we got a jig. I'm assuming that's an old can lid crinkled up. Something all curled up. I don't think it's an old knife. Alright, I think we have a movie. It's the first time I've ever found one of those. Alright, my battery always picks the most inopportune time to die. So we found us an old movie. That's crazy. Alright, we got something on the bottom of here. I'm not sure. I felt the magnet grab 2 or 3 things out through there. Looks like part of an old can, and not exactly sure what all these things are. There's more out there. I felt it. Alright, we got a beer tab, fishing line, a lure. Don't know what all that stuff's off of. Looks like maybe an old can or something.
Something says fluff.
But it's an old beer can of some sort. Alright, we got some more stuff on there. Oh, it's a spark plug. I was trying to figure out what that was. From down deep in there. And another spark plug. That's another one of those things like we found earlier, but smaller. I just don't know what that is. And a whole bunch of rust. I hooked something big down there that lifted up a little ways. Then it come off. There's a grease cert. All kinds of crazy stuff on there. Alright, felt like we grabbed something right up here close to the bridge. Let's get her up here and take a peek. See what it is. Well, there's something on the side of it, but I ain't sure what we got yet. Still don't know what it is. Can't tell. If anybody has a clue what that is, let us know down in the comments, please. Alright, looks like we got another wad of stuff on the bottom of there. See what all we got. Some kind of a fancy little spinner rig. I ain't never seen one like that before. Another jig and a nail. Alright, feels like we grabbed something. Let's get up here and look. Keep grabbing something out there, and then I get into a bunch of fishing line, and it keeps pulling off whatever I got. Well, I guess we got an old can full of mud. And don't forget about our 1,400 and 1,600 subscriber giveaway, because at 1,600 we're giving away a Kratos magnet. 1,400's that repurposed knife. Of course, I guess if I don't get there, I'll keep it for myself. I'm not sure if that's a little package out of a hand warmer or what that is, but evidently it's magnetic. A couple little scrap pieces. Alright, I can see something on the bottom of there. Kind of shiny. Well, I guess it's part of an old shiny can. All crinkled up. Part of a chain. Alright, it felt like something jumped on the magnet just as I was getting ready to start lifting it up. Unless I bumped a rock. Looky there. No Falstaff can. That one had a tab to it. Those are still cool to find. You know, they've been down there a long time. If you can pick them up with a magnet. Full of mud. Pretty cool. Yeah, it felt like we grabbed something. We grabbed something and we hit something else. Hopefully we still got whatever it was. can see another can. Thought there was something out, just some scrap on the bottom. Alright, we got something on the bottom of there. Not exactly sure what that is. Almost looks like a spaceship. Alright, we just pulled up all this stuff. Got a piece of wire, a bunch of scrap pieces. Gonna put in a bucket. Don't know what that piece is. Getting ready to give our last toss of the day. We haven't found any really crazy things today. Not a whole lot of stuff. Which I guess is a good thing. It means we're getting this cleaned out. It's not great for content, but alright, as I was saying before my battery died, there's been a lot of people out here magnet fishing since I found that grenade. And we're getting this cleaned out, which is a good thing. I got a feeling as soon as we get a good flood, there's going to be a whole lot more uncovered. Don't forget, at 1,400 and 1,600 subscribers, we're having a giveaway. You must be a subscriber to win. The 1,600 subscribers be a Kratos magnet we're going to be giving away. It's cold out here. My wife went to the truck a long time ago. She's probably tired of waiting on me. I don't know that she said her hands were really cold. But I'm glad we're getting this water cleaned out. We're going to have to search for a new area to start cleaning things out. There's some big stuff in here still that we can't get, and some of it will move, but it's so stuck in the mud we can't get it out of here. This has been a good bridge for getting stuff out. And on our last throw, this is what we got. Some weird chunk of metal, some lures, and some scrap. So if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Notification bell. Make sure you smash that thumbs up. It helps us with the algorithms. Gets our videos out to more people so they can enjoy them. If you're not subscribed, please do so. Till next time, Mr. and Mrs. Beard out.